So this is the future of Australian manufacturing right here, where we've got a family-owned business employing 20-odd people that are literally manufacturing and deploying world-leading technology in over 55 countries around the globe. People wouldn't even know, driving past in Armidale, that this sort of cutting-edge technology is being designed and built right here within their own community. And this is terrific and an example of what regional communities can do and how regional communities are leading the way.
I started planning this event in November. Peter and I realised that we had a journey to tell, and so uncovered lots of historical material. Spent a lot of time filing it and cataloguing it. The history of the business starting in 1977 and culminating in today with us being in the world of IoT and the IoT platforms. A lot of planning, but I think it's been very successful, and we really appreciated people coming as far as Darwin, from Launceston, well represented by all government departments and customers and colleagues that we've known for an awfully long time.
The celebration here today is on many levels. It's the tenacity of Peter and Susan, it's the manufacturing of an awesome product, it's the collaboration between industry and science. Yeah, it's a very joyous occasion, and also the launch of their new facility.
It's great to see such wonderful innovation and outcomes from a company that's in regional New South Wales with such relevance to agriculture and to the industry of New South Wales.
What I love about collaborating with ICT International is that they are such an established company that's shown people the pathway to success. But it's really exciting to match them up with startups that we've got coming through with emerging technologies, and then really partnering, collaborating, and then growing business right across the region.